morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session, as well as a daily vlog video of what it's like to be a part-time trader, working on becoming a full-time trader, working on becoming a full-time millionaire every single day, guys. Today, it's the day after Juneteenth. The market was closed yesterday. Market is kind of going bullish here, going wild. SPY did come to retest the all-time high level, the recent all-time high level. But the only stock that's going wild, guys, today is AMD. AMD is going straight nuts. But as far as when it comes to trade plan, guys, we have no trade plan since last night, and honestly, there still is no trade setup in my favor that I'm seeing in the pre-market or even in the open market. There's really nothing going on other than bulls trying to reclaim this here and push us on up to the upside. But if we do catch anything, guys, per usual, we'll live trade it. There's no more economic news as far as today goes. And let's see what we can catch. Let's be safe. Day after Juneteenth, volume might be dried up. Let's see what we can get into. Just to quickly go over what I'm seeing in the charts, guys, to let you guys know what I'm looking at, to be transparent and show you guys the type of trade plans that I'm trying to look for, as well as just the way my mind thinks while I'm in the opening market. So we're only 30 minutes in, guys, and so far, like I mentioned earlier, AMD is the only stock that's trying to push real strong. Amazon somewhat followed it in the morning, but then it kind of slowed down here. You guys can see it consolidating, kind of ranging in this little area around the 61.8% fib level, which is a nice level. But across the board on the other stocks, guys, some stocks falling down. Apple's falling down, Microsoft's falling down, SPY losses momentum here, and Nvidia is somewhat just about to lose its EMAs here soon. So overall, guys, there's literally nothing happening, no trade plans, no trade ideas I'm seeing, or anything coming up in our favor to even act on any type of trade. So far, it looks like we'll just be having to wait for some more action, for some more levels to get broken. The only thing I have is the S&P 500s on the hourly time frame. On a higher time frame setup, this is what happened on SPY. So Monday and Tuesday, these are Monday and Tuesdays right here, break out the range, and then today, guys, we retested the top of the range. So we're retesting it at this moment, and we'll see what we do. But let's give it some time. If I do trade anything, I'll live trade it if I do even catch anything. But so far, guys, we have an hour and 30 minutes before we head to work. Let's see what we can do. Actually about to be almost late to work. I should already be leaving, to be honest. But guys, we caught this nice AMD pump, and I called it out all in the Discord. So I'm about to drop the sauce and do a recap. But guys, we caught this nice downtrend, break to the upside off some AMD. Higher time frame setups were showing me that they are building some support here, and especially the 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes, look at the 15 minutes. Easily just retesting that level. Small red sell-off candles, guys, and we caught that nice pump of the break to the upside. We're up on the daily goal, about to head to work. So guys, we are gonna head to work, but here's a trade plan if I do trade at work, guys. If I do trade at work, I will be trading SPY off of this break of this zone, or even in an entry of the zone. Let's look at the 15 minutes right here, guys, the one I'm on right now at this exact moment. Buyers are slowing down. You can see the buyer volume is slowing down. Sellers are stepping on this recent 15-minute candle, and we have 4 minutes for it to close. So guys, so far it does look pretty bearish. It does look pretty weak. Yes, if we switched over here to the 5 minutes, you guys can see that we did try to bounce above the zone, and then once we came in the zone, retest the zone, bounce off of it twice, and here we are again, guys, coming to retest it one more time, which I'm thinking ultimately we break below. When I look across the board at other stocks, guys, you can see AMD's losing that 165.2 level. A couple stocks are also already pushing red and dropping down here. Overall, guys, market does look like it's ready to fall here. 2 hours in, and it was the most boringest market in the world, but we just hit some workouts. We just cleaned up the house a little bit, tidy it up. So far, guys, if we trade anything, I'll trade it at work, to be honest. I gotta head out here soon, and I would love for a market to drop. I would love to take some puts on some certain stocks, like maybe AMD here, maybe losing this 9 EMA. Who knows? Maybe I might take that, or some SPY puts. I would really love SPY puts overall. So overall, guys, catch you guys on the next recap, or if we do trade anything. Sorry, it's kind of a boring-ish kind of video as far as when it comes down to even trying to trade. The market this week has been real lame because of Juneteenth. The day before Juneteenth, literally the volume was so low, so whack. There was no buyer, no sellers. So this week overall, guys, it just seems like it's going to be a boring week. Even tomorrow is Friday, and it might be a boring day tomorrow. Who knows? I would love to trade, and I'm trying to trade, but I want to make sure these are A1 setups, so I'm not just forcing trades and then showing you guys L's, and then you guys see my thumbnails full of L's. I am trying to wait for actual A1 setups and wait for actual trade in my favor so that they can consistently be green, and you guys can see that I am a consistent, profitable trader, and I'm not out here just forcing trades, taking trades every single second, because guys, even the best traders, which I'm not the best trader, but even the best traders say you don't need to be in a trade every single day. They take sometimes even days off if there's no setups in their favors, or there's no setups at all. I don't plan to take the day off, but I'm gonna show up every day. I just would love to see a trade setup in my favor. I don't see anything. So with that being said, guys, we'll see what we can catch at work. If I do catch anything, per usual, I'll be transparent and drop it down with you guys and let you guys know what we took. We just got back from work, and guys, we fucking killed it today. Do you guys remember that trade plan that we dropped about thinking that SPY wants to drop below this zone and get into this zone, or even potentially take puts in the zone. We fucking printed 300% off $38, guys. $38 turned into 153, 300%. $160 for the day, killed it off of just low risk, guys. Low risk. That's the best risk to reward ratio you can ask for. So anyways, before I share this charts and get into that and show you guys what we took, and also I will even post my orders to show you guys all the orders we took today, because guys, we only traded like 3 times today. We're gonna come back and do a recap. We're gonna share the screen and go into what we got into. But first, we're gonna get right back into the gym. We've been going on and on. Guys, it's summertime. Gym got new equipment. So let's go to the fucking gym. Run 3 miles, go burn some cows. Come back, talk to y'all, give y'all the sauce, and keep killing it every single day. And showing up every single day, guys. This is what we're freaking doing every single day. We do this every day. You have to do something every single day. If you don't do something and you do something 1 time a month, that means you're only doing 12 things different a year. You need to do something every single day, so that every single day, or even if you do it once to twice a week, please, man, that's better than 1 time a month. So we're back home from the gym. And let's do the recap now. So as you guys can already see, we mentioned that we would take SPY puts within the zone or a break below the zone. And either way, guys, we got the break in the zone, not below, because you can see all these wicks to the downside. Look at that long hourly wick to the downside. But anyways, if you know your candles, you know what that means. But then look at the next one. Look at this hourly candle close on the inside of the zone. It's so weak. There was no buyers for the first 2 hours if you compare the volume for the Monday and Tuesday. But overall, guys, this is where we printed our 300% gain off SPY. So we took it before we left to work on our phone and forgot about it. Not necessarily forgot about it, but we knew what we was in for. Now, I didn't expect it to necessarily go all the way down to 78.6%, but when I opened up my phone, I was up 300% and the Discord was blowing up. Because I did mention in the Discord, guys, that I would be taking YOLO puts, and all that means is just taking a low risk, high reward type of situation trade where you just pretty much gamble a trade. And since I was already up in profits, $52 from the trades before, I just said, you know what, I'll risk $38 on some puts, because I did strongly believe that we were going to break down. You guys already saw the technical analysis before. And on top of that, Caesar in our Discord had mentioned that he does think that we're going to continue on lower, and I also said the same thing. It does look also like we're going to continue on lower. So here's my order right here, and my order books, as you guys can already. So early in the morning at 8:06 a.m. I did buy $78, 5 contracts of $78 worth of SPY, and sold them at $84 for a quick in and out. That was about a 15-minute hold. And then the AMD trade, I'll recap that as well, but I want to go over the SPY trade, which was the $38 one. The $38 trade literally turned into $153, and it was off of just the technical analysis that I broke down to you guys earlier. But as you guys can see, look what happened. It broke down in the zone. This candle breaks in the zone, retested the top of that zone, and it does a nice breakdown. Now, I did mention to you guys that on the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, that's what I was also looking at as well. So I was lining up all the time frames into one, and that's what gave me that analysis, guys. So already on the higher time frame, the bigger the time frame, the stronger the move, and the bigger the move. And on lower time frames, it also looked pretty much in the favor. I entered at 8:49 my contract and sold at 9:37. So I entered here and sold at the bottom in this general area. Here, I'll put an arrow for you guys. So I bought right when that candle closed and opened on this candle. And let's just say we bought it up here as a retest. If you want to say that, just know I bought it at the time of this right here, 8:49, pretty much right before that candle closed and the new one opened. And then it said I sold at 9:37. So I sold right after this candle closed, in between this candle opening. And guys, I sold in this general area. Maybe I had more profits percents if I would have opened up my phone earlier, but the Discord is blowing up. Everybody else was already in their own trades of puts as well, because we all saw this coming, and we all printed 300%, guys, in the Discord. And if you're not in the Discord, you're slacking, guys. We all printed 300% plus in the Discord, and we all ate. So shout out to everybody in the Discord that ate, because we all printed off these puts. Now, I would like to talk about real quick before we enter the AMD setup that we did see, as well as we're not going to go over the SPY just to keep it quick, but the AMD setup, guys, we'll go over. But before we get into that, I do want to drop some comments here. 4 new comments that commented, and guys, this is why we keep doing what we do. And I appreciate all the love and support, guys. We're almost at 250 subscribers already. We're at 246, pushing through real nice. So I appreciate all the love and support, guys. We're going to keep dropping these videos and doing what we do. But overall, guys, somebody said, what charts are you using? They're looking for something that they can see the buyer and seller volume like mine. And guys, if you're not in the Discord, you're gonna have to message me on Instagram, and maybe I can send you that script. It's a free script, but if you just join the Discord, it's a lot more easier, because I can just post it in the channel and everybody has it. Pets for us said, follow the trend, baby. And that's true. You have to follow the trend. The trend is literally your friend. If you're not following the trend, it's more easier. And that's why also it's more easier to take SPY puts, because guys, look at this. Lower highs, lower lows. And what do I mean by that? If I was to draw a quick trend, look at this. Lower highs and lower lows. So it was more easier to take puts because we're already downtrending. Just follow the trend. Somebody said, new follower here. I like your setup and how you break it down to entries and exit, and hoping to join the community one day or day one. Either way, I appreciate you, man. I would love for you to join as well. And I appreciate you following, man. We keep doing this and we're doing it for you. This is what we do it for. Show you guys what it is, what it's like. And I appreciate you. And I was from 404 full mic. James Pelter said, bro, I don't know nothing about trading, but I love a step-by-step video. Maybe I'll drop one for you, but I already do have something that I do recommend in order to even get into trading, and it's how to start option trading or how to get into option trading. It's a video that I already have, so you'll have to surf through my videos to see them, but I do already have a video about that. But let's continue on, guys, and continue on to going with the other stock, which is AMD, because AMD was also something that I would, guys, recommend. This was a good technical analysis. I was dropping this all in the Discord. I'm not going to link all the screenshots, but I will just go over this one real quick, because I was mentioning this on the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes of how strong they were building this base here of support. And plus, guys, this is already a bullish pennant, or whatever you want to call it, a flag. Either way, it's building a bullish pennant. Plus, the trend is your friend. It's already uptrending majorly hard. First 20 minutes, you literally see how much buyers we're getting. Then we get a nice bounce at this 4-hour support level. Boom. So I started seeing that we're building some nice base here on the 5 minutes. If I pull up on the 15 minutes, this is also another reason why I was also entering, because on the 15 minutes, guys, look at those candles. They're holding above that specific level. They couldn't sell it as much, but also the volume wasn't really there. So this was a quick in and out, and I knew it had to be quick in and out. So what did I do? I hopped on the 1 minute for a quick in and out. And what do I say? To lower the time frame. You know, if you're trading on the 1 minute, expect the 1 minute moves. But look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute gets a nice break to the upside after this nice downtrend. But look at the volume. There's so much buyers stepping in. This is where the real action actually happened right here. Because look how much buyers step in right here. Look at the volume. It's going crazy. And look at the candles itself. They're breaking out. Strong break to the upside off the 1 minute. This is off the 1 minute. And this is how we're able to make a nice 10% gain off AMD, guys. But that pretty much wraps up for today's video. Tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully we can get some good gains. But we do already killing it, up $200 plus this week. Hitting our weekly goal here soon. We just need $25 to make, and then we'll hit our $250 a week. But I hope to catch you guys in the trade zone. I already updated the Discord with the economic news for what's happening tomorrow. Maybe I'll post a quick picture here. I'm going to update them with my trade ideas, and maybe I'll update you guys in the morning with my trade idea in the pre-market. And that's the unfortunate reality of not being in Discord, because if you're in the Discord, you can already see the plans tonight. But unfortunately, tomorrow, you're going to have to wait until the video drops to have seen what I'm going to trade. So that's why you guys got to get in the Discord, guys, because then you'll be able to be up to date with what's happening all the time, up to date, up to speed, and then we're constantly actively trading every single day. But anyways, guys, I hope to catch you guys in there. Let me know what you guys caught today. Let me know if you guys traded today. Let me know what you guys gained. And guys, like I said, if you guys want me to chart anything out on the weekend, I'm literally willing to maybe hop on a live, chart out with y'all. But let me know what y'all traded, guys. So peace out. Have a good night. Catch you guys on Friday.